welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I am Sonam. You can see here what a beautiful nature. Okay, what a peaceful nature, guys. You can see here. You know, this is a call the simplicity of village life. What a village life, yeah. What a peaceful here. What a beauty of nature. You can see, and the birds are chirping, and we are very proud that we are a we are a farmer. That's why I am making video here. You can look, there are many trees and the fresh air, and here you can see the fresh air, fresh water. And what is this? This is called chibul. Okay, and here you can the farmer are backbone in village life, because we are farmer. We we can grow the vegetables and etc. So a farmer is father of in the world, because they grow the uh, they grow the vegetable, they grow grains, and we eat now. You can see what a lovely scenario. Okay, no filter, no anything, just a simplicity, just a purest air. And so the sound you can hear, the sound of birds. What a peaceful now. So if you are a villager, please comment in my in the comment box. And a village life teaches us, what teaches us? The simplicity. Okay, the the humanity and the honesty. So we don't have money, but we are very honest. Okay, this is the simplicity of my village. So you can see what a lovely nature. And here there are many trees now. Okay, the air is slowly flowing. Okay, so i am going I am going in my field. So come with me, follow me. Wait, guys. You look, what is this? This is spinach. Okay, this is spinach crop. eh Look here, what is this? This is a spinach. And here this is onion. And guys, you know what a beautiful nature. So the value of time. Okay, we know value of time. We know what is the hard work. Okay, if you are a farmer, you know a farmer is very hardworking. Okay, my father is also very hardworking person. They do lots of hard work, and they grow the grains, and we feed the grow we feed the food, you know so this is my field. You can imagine what a lovely what a lovely place here. We wake up early in the morning with the sound of birds, not a traffic sound. Okay, so guys, please tell me, are you from city or from village? So if you are village, you can feel what a lovely nature and what a peaceful here. What a good relationship between villagers. Okay, we have unity. Unity is the most important. Okay, so guys, you can see here there are lots of there are many goats. They are grazing now. And here you can see what kind of field. This is wheat field. This is wheat crop. Okay, so here you can see now. Let me tell you, what is this? Can you imagine what is this? This is the chaff, and here this is the chaff. Okay, to feed animal like cows, buffalo, and because cow gives us what? Milk, and we drink milk. Okay, so guys, I am going in my house. You can see this is my what? This is my lovely bicycle. So please like, share and subscribe my video. So guys, I am riding my bicycle. You can see here, this is the, what is this? Can you imagine what is this? This is the forest. This is the forest in my village. Okay, this is biggest forest in my village. You can see here, this is lovely forest. Oh god, oh god, what a beautiful scenario. What a beautiful scenario. Oh, you can see here. So this is the biggest, this is the largest forest in my village. So let me show you here. So tell me, how is my village? Tell me in comment section. Okay, so guys, what a fresh air. I'm very happy now. What a fresh air. What a largest forest. Now you can see, you know. So you know, there are lots of people, and they help you. They have humanity and they have honesty, especially. So you can see what a simplicity of my village. Main thing is that what? There is no traffic. Okay, you can listen the sound of birds. Okay, so there is no traffic, there is no pollution. Okay, there are fresh water, there is fresh air, and there is, main thing is that what? Peaceful life here. And you know, they don't have luxury house, they don't have luxury car, but they have what? They have more confidence, and they are very hardworking person. They are very honest person. Now guys, I have reached at my house. Now I have reached at my house. You can see here, this is my house, and I am washing my feet. Okay, so you can see here. So guys, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day. I hope you enjoy my video. Bye bye, we will see in the next video. Bye bye guys, take care.